Did you know Zendesk never permanently deletes users? View all of them in 6 clicks from the Admin Center. We'll start at the home page, open the Admin Center via the dropdown, then click People and Deleted Users. All right, to get started, head over to your Zendesk homepage in your browser. Then, look at the top left corner and click on the Support dropdown icon to expand the menu. Now, from that menu, select Admin Center to jump into the admin area. Once you're in the Admin Center, find the left sidebar and click on the People icon. Then, from the People menu, choose Deleted Users from the list. And that's it. Here you'll see a list of all your deleted users. Hope that helps. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.